Hello, this has been demonstrating the WinPay 2022 payroll system. Just double click the icon on the screen. Then we open the runtime. And there we have Accountant's Friend Windows Desktop Payroll for 2022. We want to look at the demo, so I put in dem. And 999, and that brings it to the main screen. Windows Pay XT 2022B. So here's your main screen. We have WinPay XT 2022B. You can look up the manual or the license. You have the people on the payroll system on the main screen here. And then we have functions in the system to put in company information, add employees, edit employees, payroll to do the payroll, taxes, deductions, reports, and utilities. If you're just starting to use the system, you put in the company information. If you want to add employee, you press this button. You just put in the information, social security, last name, first name, etc. And then you save the information. And then you do the payroll. Now, if you want to work with an employee, you first click the employee on the list, and it'll say it's selected, and we want to edit that employee. It'll come up, and you make the change for that employee, and then you save. The next thing you do is select an employee and then click payroll if you want to do payroll for the employee. Now we do an actual payroll. First we select an employee and we double click it, and the employee is selected, and then we click payroll. And there you see payroll for employee. The next date is 4/3/22. We have salary. We could put in commission, vacation, holiday, and sick pay, or we could also put in hourly pay and some deductions. Then we click calc. And then you see the payroll for that employee coming up. We have pay date, the person, the total wages, which includes all the different kinds of wages which are reported by the system, the taxes, and the net pay. And then when you're done, you press post, and it is inserted into the system. And then when you're ready, you do the next employee payroll. We'll pick Paul Allen, employee selected, and then click payroll. And then you do the next employee payroll and click calc. And then the payroll for that employee comes up. Again, the wages, all the taxes, deductions, and you post it. Record inserted successfully. And then you can do the rest of your payrolls, and basically you are then done. Now let's look at some of the reports that the WinPay presents to you. First, there's taxes. There are period taxes. They're 941 period taxes. Press that. And we press for the pay date and view for the tax period. And here are the period 941 state and city taxes. As you can see up here, you have Social Security, Medicare, federal withholding, and the total 941 for the week. We also have the state and city taxes. Then we also have the information to pay the 941 reports quarterly. We have for the SUDA quarterly. We also have yearly for FUTA, W3, and W2. Here we have the percentage tables for federal and state, city withholding tax, and also some information for federal and state exemptions. You can also enter deductions for individual employees. You just click deductions, and then you click either the deduction names, for example, friend of the court or employee advance, and you put in the deduction values for each employee. Next, we'll look at the reports that the system provides. And here are the payroll system reports. We have employee stubs for any period or group of periods, year-to-date employee stubs, employee pay cards, wage detail reports, and you can print employee checks. Here we have reports for these periods: the general ledger, income summary, departmental summary, pay period detail, pay period summary, and cash disbursements journal reports. Then we just close this and we're back to the main menu. This is just to remind you that the federal withholding tax percentages at this point are still for 2021. By December, the program will be updated with the federal percentage tables for 2022. So anyways, I hope you found this helpful and interesting, and we will talk to you soon. Bye.